Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this Glade Scent Flow. This one here is the Hawaiian Breeze. This helps make your house or living room or bedrooms smell really nice. Alright, so right here we have the Glade Scent Flow Plugins Air Freshener. This one here gives you one device and one refill. So this is the starter kit. I actually purchased this one right here, where is the Hawaiian theme. So it has a quiet fan, slightly delivers a faster fragrance for spacious rooms. So this is for areas up to 600 square feet. They do have 3 intensity settings. You've got the low, medium, and high, which is for a fuller room, and it's super easy to get this started. They do have a boost button for a stronger scent for up to 40 minutes. Much like my Glade booster, this one here does have a fan where the other one doesn't. It just gives the heated up. So you can see right here, here is your intensity levels. It has a Type-C charging port. This is the boost button right here in the front. There is a light letting you know when it needs to be replaced. You have a little fan down there which pushes out the smell of the fragrance. So in here you do get your plug, you get a scent. So this works with all Glade plug-in refills. So it is easy freshness for yours to control. So right down here at the bottom, this is basically where the plug-in goes in. And then down here you have a wire, plus you have a power brick so you can plug it into the wall. You can also use this on a power charger, on a power brick. So you don't have to just plug it in. You can actually put it anywhere. You can even plug it into a laptop if you want. So this one is the Hawaiian Breeze. They do offer in several different flavors if you get the refills. This one is super nice. I do like this one because it does push out a lot of freshener. The difference between this one and the Glade Booster is that this one does have a fan. The other one does not have a fan. This one has a light letting you know when it needs to be refilled. The other one basically has a boosting light, which is a lot softer. So if you like sleeping in a dark room, I would definitely say turn this backwards so it doesn't point towards you. But other than that, this is a really nice one. I like the smell that this one gives out. You can buy big packs of refills. It is super easy to install. So you can see the bottom right here. You'll just take your refill in here, put it down there, open up the top, and then just put the very top on over it. You can hear a fan that is really low. It's not high or anything, so you can sleep with the fan. It's very quiet. So if you're looking for a nice scent booster, this is another one of my all-time favorites. They do offer many different flavors to choose from. One of these can last up to 60 days on the low setting. So if you're looking for a scent booster, I would recommend this one or the Glade Booster.